How to make homemade nail hardener. Everyone knows it, there is nothing more annoying than having weak and brittle nails. They end up breaking after the simplest thing, and it is almost impossible to get them long. Your hands have a unique beauty. There are products in pharmacies that are great for this, but they tend to be very expensive. So, would you like to find out about an easy and economic homemade nail hardener recipe? Homemade nail hardener. To solve the problem of nail weakness, you need to use a strengthener. The treatment that we are going to recommend is perhaps the most effective. It is composed of elements as natural as garlic or lemon, but the key to their amazing effectiveness is in the vitamin E capsules that you will need. But don't worry, you can find them easily in a pharmacy and they are very useful. In fact, you will only need one capsule. Let's take a look. Remedy for very fragile nails. This simple and effective formula is useful for worst cases. For those times when, because of health reasons and a lack of vitamins, your nails are especially weak. What you need: 3 peeled garlic cloves, 20 drops of lemon juice, a vitamin E capsule, natural shine nail polish. What to do? Very easy. The first thing you have to do is put the vitamin E capsule inside the nail polish container. Just prick the capsule with a needle and pour it carefully inside the container. You can buy the vitamin E capsule in pharmacies. In this case, you will only need one. When you put it in your nail polish, you will have this essential vitamin to give health and strength to your nails. The next step concerns the 3 garlic cloves. Why garlic, you ask? Garlic is one of the best natural ingredients for strengthening nails and fighting fragility, as well as bacteria and mycosis. Put 3 garlic cloves in hot water to soak for 15 minutes. Once they are warm, start to grind them until you get a well-blended paste. Once the paste is ready, put this inside the nail polish container too. It would be best to use a small funnel like the kind that is used for perfumes and fragrances. The next step is to get the lemon juice. You will only need 20 drops. Why is lemon good for your nails? Precisely because of its vitamins, its antioxidant acids that fight weakness in the structure of the nail itself, and because it will restore it little by little. Once you get the juice, put the 20 drops inside of the nail polish container. Great, now it's ready. As you can see, you will have a hardening mixture for your nail polish, which is full of great vitamins. Always shake it before applying. It is very effective and useful for hardening them, healing them, and giving them the health they need to get better every day. Wear this nail polish for at least a month. Remove it every 3 days to give your nails a light rest for 1 day. On the day you don't wear the nail polish, do a small massage on every nail with a mixture of olive oil and almond oil. You will just need a teaspoon of each. Soak a cotton ball well and rub each nail with this great mixture that will also help regenerate your nails. Remember, 3 days with the enriched nail polish, and the rest day with the oil-based treatment.